All right, it's a beautiful day in Colorado. Saturday, getting back after it. It's 70 degrees outside. Working on this old yellow pig today a little bit. Christy's working on Henryetta. Got started last night, started making templates for the tunnel. Didn't have the cameras with us, we didn't get anything recorded for it. But what we gotta do, we're gonna get it going. Got some suspension brackets made up here. Cut out some new brackets this morning for up front. Gonna get these on there, make sure everything fits. We'll clean them up, we'll get those powder coated. Got the new rearend housing. Started cutting it last night, get it narrowed up so we can get our axle ends on it. Make some progress on these old pigs, running out of time. Well, I'm gonna get back after it and we'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
So we're gonna take and weld this piece to the top of the tunnel. Because it has these here that hold the shifter. Bolt that. Like so.
Alright, got his nice coat of powder. Oven's all nice and toasty over here. Let's bake us up some 350-degree suspension parts. Now we'll set our cookies to bake for about 40 minutes. We'll come back and see what they look like. Alright, these cookies, they've been baking for about 40 minutes. Timer's going off. I'm gonna shut this stuff down, see what we got. I think that might just work. Nice powder coated brackets. Things will be good to roll. All right, we're back at it. Sunday. It's Easter Sunday, so happy Easter, everybody. It's gonna be a short day today, but got the new ends tacked onto the rear end here for Old Yeller. Both sides. So now we need to go through, cut all these factory brackets off, clean everything up. We're gonna weld the axle tubes into the housing, and get this thing all cleaned up, looking pretty. Got to get our new brackets welded on. We got to get the anti-roll bar bracket and our bracing from the older end. Need to get all this stuff into it. Probably gonna brace it up a little bit more. Got new shock brackets. These ones are all bent up and twisted up from, well, you can see how distorted the tubes are there. Christy's gonna get her wheels and tires pulled off of Henryetta here and get the fenders off so we can get to the cradle, everything. We need to do a finish welding on everything, kind of blow stuff apart. Try to get this thing where it's ready to roll around good. Hopefully we get Old Yeller to close to rolling around so we can get these two cars swapped out, get Henryetta over here on the lift, and try to start finalizing stuff, get some wiring in, get a cage built, and see if we can get this car running. Yep, Christy started getting all these brackets sliced off. While she was doing that, started getting my saddles welded to the axle here. Get the bent shocks pulled off. Just trying to make some forward progress. But I think we might have an issue with the shock from the last big wheel stand, so hopefully we can get a new top for it and it's not broke, because unfortunately those aren't cheap. But at this point in time, that's all the time we got. It's Easter. Got stuff we got to go do. So happy Easter, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Bye.